Anything can be improved with a regular practice or regular training over a period of time. So, sure, absolutely, you can make your willpower stronger with a regular training or regular practice, but it takes some time. Now, the next question basically you'll be asking is like how long it will take to make your willpower stronger. So I will say that if you see, let's say, sports persons when they go to compete in Olympics, how much do you think that they regular practice? Weeks, months, years? When the elite athletes from all over the world are coming to compete in Olympic Games, they almost basically train for years together. Same routine. I've seen boxers morning 2 hours in the ring, 2 hours in the evening ring, exactly strict schedule for the diets and everything. And then yes, they achieve that glory. Likewise, if you really want to make your willpower strong, you really need to practice morning, evening, certain exercise which I will just explain you right now. But before that, I need to explain one more thing. Our mind does not want to be disciplined. If you tell your mind variety of things, let's go for traveling all over the world, let's go for movie, let's go for this thing, let's go for that thing, mind will be very happy. But mind doesn't want to be disciplined. And an undisciplined mind is your worst enemy. And a disciplined mind is your best friend. So when you will basically start training your mind or trying to make your willpower stronger, a portion of your mind basically will resist. It will revolt. And that's natural. Let it revolt. But you have to be calm, you have to be patient, keep practicing. Morning, evening, every single day. And then a stage basically will come that the revolt of this mind will be getting less and less and less. You will be having more control. Your mind will be much more in control. Your willpower basically much more stronger. And then afterwards, whatever you want to do it, the same mind basically will be helping you. So the simple exercise which you should do to make your willpower stronger, there could be many exercises, but this is the easiest and the most powerful one. I will say practice 10 minutes morning, 10 minutes evening meditation every single day, at least for the next 3 months. I repeat, morning, evening, both time, 10 minutes morning, 10 minutes evening meditation. And it will really make your mind stronger. It will make your willpower really strong. And you will see the magical results will start happening in your life. I will add the link to the guided meditation in the description link. You can check through that. Should you have any other query, feel free to put it in the comment sections and I will reply that. Thank you very much for watching it, and if you find the video informative, feel free to share it with your friends. Thank you.